In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Yahoo Mail display name quickly and easily. This is a simple update, but it's really useful if you want your emails to show a more professional name, a corrected name, or even a new personal name instead of the old one. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into the account you want to update. Once you're on the Yahoo Mail inbox, look up to the top corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the settings menu for your mailbox. From the settings panel, click More Settings. This is where Yahoo keeps the deeper account and mail options, including the name that appears when you send emails. After that, look for Mailboxes in the left-hand menu and click it. This section shows the email accounts connected to your Yahoo Mail. Now click on your email account. Once your account details load, find the field labeled Your Name. This is the display name that other people see when they receive your messages. Click into that field and edit the name to whatever you want it to show. Make sure it's spelled correctly and looks the way you want before saving. After you've updated the display name, click Save to apply the changes. Yahoo may take a moment to update the new name across your account, so don't worry if it doesn't change instantly everywhere. In most cases, your new display name will appear on future emails after the save is complete. And that's it. You've now changed your Yahoo Mail display name in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.